Mentimeter is a great formative assessment tool to use on your students. If you would like to check for understanding in the middle of a lesson, you're able to create a presentation that you can share live with their students and that they can answer on using their own personal devices. This tool really aligns with our ISTE standard of A.7.A, which reads that educators provide alternative ways for students to demonstrate competency and reflect on their learning using technology. So a quick tutorial, once you create a free account on Mentimeter, you can create a presentation, which you can rename up here. So if I was in the middle of teaching in a Eureka math lesson, perhaps I would call it Module 3, Lesson 2. And I have all these different question types to choose from to check for understanding amongst my students. It could be something creative like a word cloud. It could be something open-ended that they would type into, or it could be something a little more objective like a multiple choice question. With something like Eureka Math, if I'm doing a quick understanding, maybe I'll even send them a scale asking them how they feel about that day's lesson from low to high. And so these are all tools that you can use to check for understanding amongst your students. Again, Mentimeter is a free resource that you can sign up for, and it's spelled like centimeter with a capital M.